Today we're going to be talking about how to make yourself bulletproof as a videographer in the coming age of AI, the age of AGI, artificial general intelligence, and ASI, artificial super intelligence. It's upon us. And every single videographer that I talk to is terrified or at least concerned about what's coming. And if you aren't, well, you definitely should be. And like them, you may imagine a future where AI video editors are doing all of the work for business owners, creating AI videos and editing them at super high quality, AI cameras following the action automatically, and AI content creators pumping out social media videos 24/7, and even AI agencies delivering full video campaigns without a single human touch. And in this convergence, there's no place left for the human videographer. I've even had successful videographers doing $50,000 per month say to me, should I even be building this business? In 18 months, AI is going to do everything I do faster and cheaper. That's where we are right now. And that's how terrified videographers feel. The first question on every business owner's mind will be, why should I pay $5,000 for a video when AI can make it for $50? But here's the thing, I'm not worried for real videographers. And let me tell you exactly why. The videographers who understand what I'm about to show you won't just survive AI, they'll use it to completely dominate their market and charge even higher prices than they do today. So who am I to even be talking about this? Well, if this is your first time on the channel, my name is Julian Corzo, and I've been helping videographers scale their business and escape the freelance grind for the past couple of years. I've personally helped hundreds of videographers transition from charging $500 per video to landing $5,000 per month retainer clients. My clients collectively have generated millions in additional revenue by implementing the systems that I teach. But more importantly, my team and I have been on the front lines of this AI revolution. We've been testing every AI tool that comes out, implementing them not only in video businesses, but also other businesses as well. And we've discovered something incredible. AI isn't the enemy of videographers. It's the secret weapon that separates the pros from the amateurs. Because while most videographers are running scared, the smart ones are using AI to deliver 10 times better results for their clients in half the time, and even charging premium prices for it. Now, the reality that most videographers don't want to hear is that AI isn't coming for videographers because of technology. Matter of fact, AI is coming for videographers because most of them are positioning themselves totally wrong. If you're still just selling videos, you're already dead in the water. If your value proposition is, I'll make you a beautiful video, congratulations, you're competing with a robot that never sleeps and costs 99% less than you do. But here's what AI can't do, and this is where you become bulletproof. You see, AI can't build relationships. AI can't understand a local business owner's deepest fears about their company. AI can't sit in a strategy meeting and connect video content to actual revenue growth. And AI can't become a trusted advisor who business owners rely on for their marketing success. The videographers who survive won't be the ones with the best cameras or the smoothest edits. They'll be the ones who position themselves as strategic partners who use video to drive measurable business results. But before I show you exactly how to do this, let's learn from history. Because every time there's been a major technological shift, creatives have panicked, and they've actually been wrong every single time. Let's go back to 2005. Digital cameras are becoming mainstream. Every wedding photographer is freaking out because now anyone can take photos. Film photographers are saying digital will never match the quality of film. Now let's look at what actually happened. The photographers who embraced digital technology didn't just survive, they dominated. They could shoot more, deliver faster, and offer services that film photographers just couldn't match. And the ones who held on to film, well, most of them got left behind. Then YouTube launches in 2005. Traditional video companies are terrified. They were probably saying things like, now anyone can make videos. Like, this is the death of professional videographers, professional filmmakers. But what really happened? Well, YouTube created a massive demand for video content. Companies realized that they need video for marketing now. And the videographers who understand how to create content for this new platform didn't get replaced, they actually got rich. And fast forward to 2010, DSLR started shooting video. Traditional video operators are now panicking. These photographers with their cheap cameras are going into our industry to destroy it. Reality check? DSLRs democratized video production and created a boom within the industry. Suddenly, every small business could afford professional looking video. The videographers who adapted to these new tools expanded their market exponentially. Now 2015 brings smartphones with 4K cameras. Every videographer is thinking, oh, this is it. Everyone's gonna shoot their own videos now. But what happened? Social media platforms exploded with video content. TikTok, Instagram stories, YouTube shorts, Reels. The demand for video content became insatiable. Smart videographers started offering social media packages and made more money than ever. Do you see the pattern? You see, every technological advancement that threatened videographers actually created more opportunities for those who adapt. adapted. The scared ones are the ones that got left behind. Their strategic ones, well, they got rich. Now it's AI's turn. And just like every time before, most videographers are panicking instead of positioning themselves to win. And now, well, let's talk about the 3 pillars that you need in order to become AI proof. The first thing that makes you bulletproof against AI is positioning yourself as a video marketer and strategic partner who uses video to drive business results instead of just being the person that just makes pretty videos. Here's what I mean. When a plumbing company hires you, they don't actually want a video. They want more customers. They want their phone to ring more. They just want to beat their competitors. The video, that's just the vehicle. You see, AI can just make a video. There's tools like VEO3 that create insanely high quality videos. I actually have a few videos on my Instagram of me recreating famous commercials that costed millions of dollars with a tool that cost me $20 per month. But do you want to know what AI can't do? It can't sit down with that plumber and say, here's why your current marketing isn't working. Here's the psychology of what makes homeowners choose one plumbing company over another. And here's the exact video strategy that's going to double your lead flow in 90 days. This is exactly what my client G did. He stopped selling monthly content packages and started selling customer acquisition video systems. The same skill, but different positioning. So instead of charging $2,000 to $3,000 per month for a lot of content, he's now charging $4,000 to $6,000 per month because he owns the entire strategy and can now prove results. And it actually takes him less work to fulfill. So here's your action step. Stop talking about cameras, editing, and post-production. Start talking about lead generation, conversion optimization, and revenue growth. Position every video as a business solution, not a creative project. When you walk into a meeting, don't say, I make videos. Say, I help local businesses systematically attract and convert their ideal customers using strategic video content. Do you see the difference? Now let's move to pillar 2. Use AI to deliver superhuman results. Here's a perfect analogy that will help you understand what I'm going to be talking about. You know Tony Stark, right? Genius, billionaire, incredible engineer. Some might say I might look like him. But without his suit, he's just a smart guy who bleeds like everyone else. He's just another human. But once you put that suit on, he can now fly. He now has superhuman strength. He's Iron Man now. That's exactly what's happening in the video industry right now. You see, videographers, they're Tony Stark. You have incredible video skills, creative vision, years of experience. Meanwhile, other people are putting on the AI suit. They're using AI to script ads in seconds, content in seconds, AI to analyze what content converts, AI to create entire marketing strategies, and AI to manage campaigns and even track ROI. So you're trying to fight with your bare hands while they're flying around in Iron Man suits. Now here's what this suit gives you. Instead of spending days researching, AI does it in minutes. Instead of guessing what content works, AI analyzes millions of data points. Instead of manually editing for hours, AI cuts your workflow by 80%. And instead of just making videos, you're now providing complete marketing solutions. The same person, but now you're 10 times more valuable. You go from charging $1,000 per project to $10,000 deals. Not because you got better at video, because you put on the suit. And here's 3 ways that you can use AI to level up your game. First is AI-powered research. Before you shoot a single frame, you can use AI to analyze your client's competitors, identify gaps in their current strategy, and generate video concepts that are scientifically designed to outperform what's already in their market. Our AI system that we created for videographers does all of this for you. We actually just recently launched it at our mastermind in August, and everyone was amazed at how much detail our AI system goes into. You see, Fortune 500 companies pay hundreds of thousands of dollars and wait weeks for deep research, for deep market research. Big companies hire research firms like McKinsey, and they spend months analyzing their market and literally pay 6 figures for insights. But our AI system delivers that insights in just 30 minutes of time. Let me show you what happens when I analyze a client with my AI system. So the first step, a client's going to fill out a 10-minute onboarding form. Then step 2, the foundation stack processes local market data, competitor analysis, customer psychology, and a lot more. And then step 3, AI agents analyze thousands of data points and generate complete intelligent reports. And that's just a very summarized version, but total time 30 minutes. Total cost $20 per month. But here's what's crazy. The insights are actually deeper than traditional research. You see, while McKinsey tells you millennials like authentic brands, my AI finds the exact phrases your customers use when they're frustrated, the specific emotional triggers that drive purchasing decisions, and precise language patterns that make people stop scrolling. One of my clients used these insights to help a car dealership generate a 670% return on their ad spend. Now, number 2, content and ad multiplication. You can script 15 different variations in videos in just minutes. You can use AI tools to even recreate videos in minutes, and use AI to generate captions, schedule a post, and even A/B split different hooks to see what converts best. So you can test much faster to get insight and feedback quicker, so you can then use that feedback to improve your strategies and optimize your messaging, ads, funnels, etc., all for your clients. So what used to take weeks, if not months, in testing different concepts, ideas, and video styles, you can literally now do in days. Third, performance optimization. AI analyzes your entire funnel to see where your bottlenecks are, where do people drop off, and automatically creates data-driven recommendations to improve your campaigns, whether it's just for content or your ad campaigns. Our AI system does this. It's the fourth member in our team. We called it Vector. And you can see this dashboard right now was created by Vector by simply giving it the KPIs and the campaign numbers. It then broke down what's working and what's the bottleneck and action-driven insights that we can use to improve the campaign. And then we send these dashboards to our clients. And here's the beautiful part. You're not competing with AI. You're partnering with it. So while other videographers are making one video at a time, you're delivering comprehensive content systems that deliver measurable results. You see, at the end of the day, clients only care if their business is growing month to month. Now let's talk about the last pillar. Own the relationship and results. The third pillar is all about building relationships and owning results in a way that AI simply just can't replicate. This is all about becoming the person that they cannot afford to lose. You become their outsourced marketing director who happens to specialize in video. You become their strategic partner. They rely on you. They need you. You see, you want them to tell their friends all about you because you're building a relationship with your client. You want to make them feel like you're in this with them every step of the way because their win is your win. So here's your action step. Stop thinking like a videographer and start thinking like a business consultant who uses video to solve problems. Learn your client's business inside and out. Show up to their meetings. Understand their customers better than they do. Because when you're this integrated in their business, replacing you doesn't just mean finding a new videographer. It means finding a new strategic partner who understands their entire operation. So let's zoom out and see what this really means. While most videographers are worried about AI taking their job, you're using AI to become irreplaceable. Think about it like this. Remember when Tom Cruise started going on his own stunts? Like, he could have just used CGI like everyone else. It would have been cheaper, safer, and faster. But he chose to do real stunts because he knows what's real would make him stand out in a world of fake. The same thing is happening with video right now. In a world where AI can generate infinite content, being the person who delivers real strategy, real relationships, and real results makes you incredibly valuable. Because when AI becomes everywhere, clients won't be looking for more content. They'll be looking for someone who can cut through the noise and actually drive their business forward. You're not just surviving AI. You're using it to become the kind of videographer that clients can't function without. You become their growth partner who happens to be brilliant with video. You see, the question isn't whether AI is coming, because it is. It's whether you are going to be ready for it. And right now, we're in this perfect moment where AI is powerful enough to give you superpowers, but most videographers are too scared to use it. You see, they're worried AI will replace them, so they're ignoring it completely. Meanwhile, the smart ones, well, maybe that's you, are using AI to 10x their value and become completely irreplaceable to their clients. Look, I've been teaching these exact strategies to videographers for years, and I can tell you that the ones who implement this don't just survive industries, they dominate them. If you want to learn the specific systems and strategies I use to help videographers transition from project work to high-value retainer clients who see them as a strategic partner and a video marketer, I put together a complete training that walks through everything step by step. The link is in the description below, and I'll also place it somewhere around this video. In this training, I show you the exact frameworks that my clients are using to land $5,000 to $10,000 deals, and the AI tools that they're using to deliver amazing results to their clients. So make sure you click the link down below and give that video a watch. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.